Hello, in the previous video I showed you how to download the Hugo version of Windows. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install that on your computer very easily and perfectly. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is the downloaded version of Hugo software. At first we need to extract it, but I'm not going to extract in this folder. Rather, I'm going to open a new tab on my computer and I'm going to access the computer, and inside the C drive I'm going to create one folder like new and folder. Suppose the name of the folder is Hugo install or Hugo sites. Okay, I just typed it over there and it looks like this. So right now it is empty. Now what we need to do, we need to actually copy this thing to here. So I'm going to drag and drop it inside it, but you can do other way also, like copy and paste it here. Now we need to extract it. To extract this thing, this is basically a zip folder or compressed folder or file, whatever you can say. We just need to extract it first. Right click and then it will open like this way. We have to choose extract all like that and it will be extracted. Suppose you want to keep it in default location, like here it will create a folder and inside it it will open extract that files basically. I'm going to click extract and it will be extracted like this way and it will open in any way, new window. If you don't find a new window, you can close this thing and you will see this is the extracted folder. Okay, here it is showing like file folder and a compressed folder. This thing we don't need it. We are going to remove this thing by pressing the delete button, or we can actually press this delete icon to delete it. It is deleted. Now what you need to do, now select this, right click and then open a new tab. I'm going to open it in a new tab. Here there are multiple files are there. I'm going to choose only this file. The rest of the things I don't need. So this one I chose it and then right click and then I'm going to choose the copy from here, or you can press Ctrl C command together to copy it. Once it is copied, then go back to the main folder Hugo sites and paste it over there. Right click, paste here, or you can paste click here to paste it. So, or Ctrl V altogether. I'm going to paste it and it will be there. Now we can close or remove the other files. So this thing we don't need. I'm going to select it and remove. So only one file is needed and that is Hugo, and that's the exe file which we need to configure now. So by default it is looking like this, and if you try to create any Hugo site inside this folder, you don't need to do any more configuration. But if you want to configure it globally, basically you need to change some of the environment variables. So what you need to do, now we need to configure this with our system so that we can use it. So click on the start menu and it will bring this type of window, and in the search box start typing environment and you'll find edit the system environment variables. Just click here to open it. If your computer is not running in admin mode, then it will ask you to put the password. I'm going to type the password of my computer and I'm going to press yes, and the environment properties window will be opened. From here we just need to click environment variables. I'm going to click here and it will bring like this, and here there are a couple of things I need to change. Now we need to choose this path and then we are going to click edit. To add the Hugo, basically we need to add a variable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump to the main location where the exe file is located, and then I'm going to copy the entire path, Ctrl C, or right click, copy, and the entire path will be copied. Now come to this window and here just click new and a new row will be created, and here right click and then paste it, and then at the end put a slash, right slash, and then hit OK button. So that's it. Now you can press the OK button to close it. Now let's check it by closing this thing, everything. Okay, and here also we need to press OK button and then I'm going to close this thing. Now let's check whether Hugo is installed properly or not. So I'm going to click start menu and it will bring this type of window. Over there I'm going to type command cmd, that means command prompt is there. We are going to click it to open the command prompt. Now start typing Hugo, then space version and hit enter key of the keyboard. I'm going to press enter key of the keyboard, and here it is showing this is the Hugo version, is also telling like that. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily install Hugo on our Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer, and after that we can start building a website using Hugo. Thank you guys for watching the video.